Hello and welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. I use Visual Studio Code. Then I'm gonna take a quick look at my game and then I'm gonna decide what I want to do today. And starting takes a few seconds. Some more lines has to appear. Have to appear. It started. Here's my game. I'm the guy in the middle. So gonna hear enemies. If I get close to them, they follow me. If they touch me, I lose HP. If my HP reaches 0, I die. I can place these, currently I call them rods. They have abilities which do damage. I have more, they connect. And some more connections, such as rod has, the more effective its abilities are. And if I kill enough, I get skill points to. Currently I can only have 3 rods. If I take the upgrade, I can now have 4. Now I can get stronger the more I kill, and my high score is based on how far from the middle I got until I died. This was a quick look. Currently working on boss enemies. Display boss health I did do. Later was skill and abilities I have not done. To spawn boss I have not done. Problems I have not addressed. So I was working on bosses. I think I had. Can I undo? No. Game state bosses push. Create boss with level. Game state ID counter and 1 and game. So this should that was interesting. I was this low enemy and character and boss HP bar. Have X and Y for both rects. Why? Show again. This makes the boss a bit slower. That something is strange. So it's the top bottom. Top bottom. 2 times X. Now it makes sense. Fixed. And not quite fixed. I'm missing the -6. And now giving more HP. So be nothing. Let's try just one. Okay, seems still weak. 10,000. It's probably what I need. Now if let's do one more, but this time I do okay, I think this could work. I will go back to 1 as increase. Let's go back for 1,000 for one. Try it, did not verify. I didn't get XP. His experience worse. How is this possible? I think I have experience worse, so it should. Let's see. I am in the tick loop. Detect character death. Yeah, I kill, but I do not give XP. Faction. Character. Kill counter. One boss, interesting kill counter. But again, I got 1 skill point. Seems like it's not that much XP. No, I think I cannot gain multiple level with 1 kill. For every character, if I level up, okay, maybe I should. I think I should. Their character has XP and it's not dead. Then I give him XP. And now while this, I level up. I think this should work. Boss can give me more. 7. Okay, worked. Perfect. Now I don't want the boss on spawn, but One level up. Game model. Game model. Have bosses somewhere. Bosses. Currently, I want to change it a bit up. Where do I have here bosses? How do I change it? I want bosses is maybe boss stuff. Bosses. Boss level counter and boss each levels. It's also number. I think I work with this. No, this will break a lot of stuff. Boss level counter. First go in here. I will stuff. Bosses start empty. Let's create one for each level and boss level counter 1 0. No. Boss stuff bosses. Let's shorten it a bit. So one more. Here, boss state, boss stuff, bosses. Now only game. Tick boss characters. So far. How do I do it? As state, game state. Did I press game state? I think somehow I can access boss stuff. Okay, let's make a new type for it. Oh, here. Where did I? Stuff. Export type boss stuff. Where was I? Stuff. Bosses. need to reset it. Was stuff. This is empty. Each level. Oh no, let's keep it. Bosses needs to be emptied. And this level counter need to be back to 0. Let's here, this is boss stuff. Boss stuff. Import add bosses equals boss stuff bosses. Even more problems. Abilities word. Stuff bosses. Check type. I mean, is the next one. Fire circle. And fix position. Okay. Still continue to work. Now I have new values, so I can spawn them differently. Not on tick, but on init. Let's back to tick. Just check the circle spawn. How do I call it? Function on level up events. Something like this. No, on check for events or something. Check for event execution. Check for event starting. Game. So I will now do the circling. I check for event starting, check for circle spawn, function check for boss spawn, game, Now get highest level of player. Highest level. I need this. Highest level of player. If game state bosses, boss stuff. Next boss level, boss spawn. Next boss spawn on level would be game state boss stuff each X levels times game state boss stuff boss level counter. Starts with 0. Then let's start with 1. Change. Don't want to start with a boss. Where did I? Yeah. What's level counter? 1. 1 was every level. Let's to change it in one more position, I think. Yes, this is initial. It's in it here. This needs to be. So this is now if. Next. If. Let's do it this way. If highest level is bigger than boss spawn level, then I will not need to spawn a boss. I think I need stuff this. Boss stuff. Boss level counter. We increase at the end. Boss stuff. Bosses. Push. Game. No. 8 boss with level. Game state. ID counter. Level and game. This should work. Boss spawn. Now I kill him. Oh. I know 7 bosses spawn. Damn they. Let's try again. It's I want also to increase the boss size. Let's know boss enemy. Do I have a boss size in here? Boss size 40. Let's see if 60 works. Okay, try. The HP doesn't scale with the boss size. Why? Let boss width equal character width. Oops, wrong. Click. Do I have a lot of sixes? Let HP bar 8. I can also const it. I use it more. Did 2 levels. Can more movement speed. Is big. Doesn't care. Okay. It touch me. Basically does what I want. Now I need the spawn position. The function for it. Spawn is a position. I will not use X and Y directly. This line is getting till okay. I don't know if it's helpful that this is. I think these lines, I like it. Or if it's a long line, I don't need to look at it. I need a function get boss spawn position will obviously need the game. Nothing more. Nothing more. Is game is a game. Turns the position and try it for 4. Get player. Get highest level of player. I won't get furthest player. Let's make. Okay, I have an error here. We'll find back. Game model, game. Check for boss spawn. Get highest level. Okay. Get furthest player. Furthest away from spawn player. Get furthest away from spawn player. I think this is fine. Highest distance. Start with 0. Overall players. If it's a leveling character, doesn't matter. Do not need to cast it. I check distance. Let's put it here. Distance is equals player point. No. Calculate distance. The player. Oh no, player has no player character. And I need the middle of the map. It's not 0, 0. Oh, I'm unsure. The score might be based on 0, 0. I have to verify. But if distance is the highest distance, then highest distance will be distance. And I return highest distance. Get furthest away from spawn player. Get player furthest away from spawn. Is this easier to read? Get player furthest away from spawn. Let's do it this way. And these are player functions. Let's take them. Player. Put them in here. Fix all the errors. Wait a minute, check for boss spawn. The boss. Boss. can import here. Spawn game. I think this works. I have was enemy left. This is my... Okay, this is my house I left where I want to continue. Yeah, it's player further away from spawn. He needs game state players. Add furthest. Does he returns a number? No. I want to return the player. Highest distance let player is a player undefined. Can return undefined. Starts as undefined. Don't think I have to set it. I have 2 players now, which is bad. This player. This player's player, and I return the furthest player. Add player furthest away from spawn. To boss enemy. Now this is if F1 else, well, I can turn 0 once the position. I return this. Okay. Get boss spawn position. I want the spawn position directly. And I don't want to spawn on a character. So let's make let boss spawn position and let's think position which I want to return at the end, but let's think. It's calculate direction. Okay, I need get map middle or something. Let's verify something. To know where the middle of the map is. It's not 0, 0. Where do I calculate the score? Game. Let's go in game paint for the moment. In player stats. Distance is distance, and distance is based on 0, 0. Okay, and where do I save the high score? End game and new score, also based on 0, 0. Let's export function get map middle position. I need the map, game map, and I return offset. It's map tile size times chunk length divided by 2. X is offset, Y is offset. Now let's search page map. Get map middle position. Map middle. No, let's call it spawn. Okay, now I need end game. I have still the game paint. He doesn't know the middle. Oh no, he doesn't. In player stats, what do I have? Do I have the game? I have the game. Okay, not too hard to fix. I import. Let's get the game in here. And sit here. Back here. Calculate direction. I now have the map middle to boss spawn. Spawn, boss spawn. Doesn't like it. Confused. Was correct. Middle, mid. Ah, middle oder mittle? Middle, correct. Boss spawn is not set. No, not boss spawn. Furthest character. And direction. Have a direction. No. I start with furthest. I need my own position. No, I'm unsure. This could better. First, I copy. I calculate a direction. Now I need to move direction and distance. Currently everyone did it happen in map? I don't think so. Character has a move sync. Move character tick. It's correct. I need to check if king. Can I change? Let me see. I will. Export a new function, export function, move by direction and distance. Have position. I have map. I have an ID counter. Chunk change is not my problem. Move by direction and distance, position, map, game map. ID counter is for. I need to generate some map. It's player. And what I call it can be blocked or no. Check collision. It's a Boolean. So if do not need to check for blocking. Let's change it up. Check collision, or so if check collision is true. No. If check collision is true, it will be false and it has to second part. If it's false, it's true and it doesn't need to check the second part. Character is moving. Also do not need to check for is moving. Have a position. Have a direction. And I have a distance. Move direction. Distance. And I change it. By direction and distance. I can the map is only required if I check for collision. Make this optional. Undefined. Defined. Or undefined. I spelled be correct. Now let's change it up a bit. If blocking is equals this. If check collision. Now I need to check even more. If map or the counter is an object, both are not, and so the new error collision check requires map and ID counter. Okay. No one uses this currently. Let's try it with bosses. Where direction and distance. Distance is equals, let's make 800. Number. Distance from player. Move by direction. So I move the boss spawn by direction and distance from player. And do I do a collision check? No. Not yet. False. But I need to position, get spawn position, found player. This is not quite. This is what I wanted. No. Let's see if I in game I have my int. My init players find near non-blocking position. This is what I want. Perfect. Back to boss. Now I have find near non-blocking position. What does it need? It needs a position. Returns a position. So I need the boss spawn. It's a map. Game state map. Game state ID counter. That's all. Boss spawn is a position. Boss spawn. And I return it. Let's try to use more const. Const boss spawn changes. Doesn't change. Does change. Something missing. Character Y. Get boss spawn position. Okay, it could now work. And now spawn the boss. Let me check. Could stand exactly at 0, 0. Might be a special case. Let me think. Get I as direction if it's 0. Else. I return a 0. Okay, perfect. Then, in case, not get a level up yet. Spawn directly on me. Let's go back to bosses. Boss spawn. My spawn will not be blocking. Boss spawn is a position. Move by direction and distance. Shouldn't have any problems. I move it. I should be able to change the position. If I move and it's blocking. No, I should not check for collision. False. Wait a minute. This is probably wrong. A lot of stuff. I get a level. There's the boss. Okay. But okay, I am unsuccessful on there. Already 2 levels. No. No. Okay, they seem to work. Although they get too strong too fast, but that's my current setup. There, the speed is questionable. Two bosses. Boss. Now let's change the move speed. I want speed 2 for the first level, then 0.5. Let's do mass point min. I don't want it to go over 6. I don't know currently. Let's try it. HP, we will see. I have to play. Damage, I have to see. Experience, okay, so spawn was where I wanted it to be. I spawned 7 levels. So I think, let's see how fast. Did not expect. So now I go to the left. I expect the boss to come from this side. Seems about right. The first boss is easy. Other bosses are strong. Now I have a boss spawn. I maybe have some boss scaling. Still don't know what good damage value would be, but let's try to I'm too slow. But this is expected. Let's give my boss abilities. Always one ability or more? Start with one. Okay. Let's call it ability dash create possibility. I will need the level and game. Yeah. Function create possibility. Level is a number. Game is a game. And I want ability back. Currently one. Okay. Here it should work. Enemy abilities push. Ability. This should already work. The next thing is I want new functions for abilities. Boss related. Set ability to level. Can be used by bosses is a boolean and set boss level. No, set ability to boss level. Ability level void. I missed the bracket. Perfection now can be used by bosses. I can also return undefined. Just return a value. Return undefined. So I did not find an ability. I have to catch this case. Undefined. I have an ability, push it. Then we have the boss. Why do I call him enemy? Rename. This is the boss. Let's make an error in here so I find back faster. Now I need to be used by bosses. The sword. First one can be used by bosses will be true. And I need that ability to boss level. Sounds strange. Set ability sword to boss level. And let's go to here. Should be very similar to this. So I have the ability and I have the level. I don't want boss level sword count. I will keep one. I will make main idea is that bosses only have one sword, but a longer sword. I'll change per sword. Can keep this calculation. This could already work. So I need the ability functions. Const keys. Equals object keys from ability functions. Was this an array? Yes, for key in keys. Ability keys. If I have let possible abilities is ability. No, it's ability keys. Ability keys is string array. It starts empty if ability functions key can be used by bosses. Then I push key. Now if I found one, I can let random ability choice if if I have more than one, random ability choice will be next random game state random seed times the length plot now I have a random one. Now my ability functions possible ability keys ability choice it doesn't Possible ability keys is a string. Random ability choice is a number. Why? Did I miss something? Let key is this one. He likes it. This is a string. And now I can use a key. Ability functions. Key. I'm confused. I think I made it correct. Here he likes it. Here's a string. The string cannot be used as an index type. Object keys. Keys is a string. How do I don't understand his problem. I do not have anything different than here. What does he want here? He accepts the string, but not the key. Why? I'm confused. Do I have to... how do I do it? Was there key of ability functions? Is this possible? Don't think. Type of is also incorrect. You confuse me. Why does he... Am I incorrect for some reason? Any is not good, but I don't know how to fix it. Now I have an ability and I want to create ability. Yes, and now let's do ability functions. Ability is equal ability functions, create ability. And ability functions, set ability to boss level. What do I need first? Ability and then the level. And he doesn't like it because it might be undefined. Can I question mark it? But I have to set it to boss level. Else. So new error. Function missing for a key. I think it's this way. The boss ability, I give it a level. And I do not have errors. Let's see. And I crashed. Can be used by bosses. Okay, this does not need to. I'm confused. It's correct that this does not exist. Cannot read property of undefined. Ah, okay. I did mess something up. Ability keys. Key. Ability functions key can be used. So something is off in my thinking. Maybe I learn. Key 0. Ability keys. In. Oh. Off. But here, this is not a problem. Next try. Key, shoot. It works. No, I didn't want to restart. A level. And there's no sword around him. Let's think. Did wait, boss wave level. Boss ability always happens. I did not found one. Did I have an output? No. Let's debug. Great possibility. Let's jump over it. Pushed one. I realize it's not bigger than 1. So I take the key sword. I should have ability functions. I should be able to create an ability. Bosses do not do abilities currently, probably. I set to boss level. No. I never return it. Ah, makes sense. So I return ability. Next try. No. Let's go here. I should return one. Perfect. Let's see. No sword. Nothing. Still debugging. Or let's quick look if bosses do abilities. Check for boss spawn, paint, tick, paint boss enemy character. Paint boss. Okay, here's no ability painting. I think. Paint boss enemy character. Let's go to character, paint abilities here. This is over to here. Paint boss enemy character. Go here. Wait. Do not have the game. Paint ability. Let's try it. Game. I probably have it up here. Game. Oops. So where are you? There's a sword. And there comes a bigger, faster swing. The sword needs to be a bit further away. This is probably sword ability stuff. And where do I decide sword to character hit? Take sword to character hit. Where do I paint it? Up. Paint. Translate. Why here have. Don't I paint away from? Ability sword length. Sword distance to holder. Why do I define it up here? Because I need it for. But I need to calculate it. Function sword distance to holder. Just character. Ability owner. Do I want to have a size? Yeah, let's do it. Ability owner is probably here. Ability owner can probably have size, or it's a width. Let's go look into character. Character has no character model. Only has the width and no size. And the rod has ability object. It does not have a size. Okay, but characters have. This is enough. I want ability owner. I return a number. I will this one. Let's call it a base distance. Base distance. Return. And no, not const. No. Let's make it this way. Let result equals base distance. And if ability owner width, then result plus equals ability owner width, and then I return the result. Whatever there happened. And now I can do this here. Do this. It's a plus, okay. Enemy width. Okay, this head detection. Enemy width. Do I have to halve it? Maybe. Okay, boss is coming. And I see my problem. That is my function. I missed it. It's half. Now I need speed to see if it does damage to me. Sword does no damage to me. Let's think. Take ability sword. Detect sword to character hit. Game state players, game state map. Detect sword to character hit. Determine characters in distance. I have players. I think I consider all. target characters. I check for faction. I now check for each sword. Attack sword to character hit. Ability own ability, target character widths. In. And now I'm confused. I could expect it to be checked. Although I can make it more efficient. Let's see. Let's debug. Sources. The boss enemy, but the ability. Ability sword. Images as ability. And yeah. I think this is the first position to check. Let's get my sword spot target characters. We have this is the player. Oh, I am not in distance. And if I press a lot, this won't change. So let's get away for now. Let's stop. Oh, he died. Another try. And zack. Target characters. Black. He sees himself. He doesn't do damage to himself. And I could be it. Let's see, target characters. I have two. I see a blue. It's a leveling character. Perfect. Why? That's me. I'm a player and he's an enemy. Check. Now we need to check if he gets hit. In here. Calculate direction. Cancel angle, start angle. Not hit. My main problem is that let's make a breakpoint here. Return this. Okay, here it's calculate the distance now. Distance is 48. So 50 and 20. I should be hit. I am hit. Perfect. Is it? Target character HP. Ability damage. Ability damage is 1. It should do 1 damage. Hit recently cannot happen. Does he create this field? I was hit recently as a player. Okay. Oh no, it exists, but it should not matter. And I have lost HP. 199. Yes. Did work. Let's... Did I not reload correctly before? Are you? Yep. See. Did do... It's not quite hitting. In it. Okay, let's change the boss enemy a bit up. First, the movement speed will be a lot slower. Now it's only 1. And I will spawn it. $800 to 100 distance. This would make it easier to... Okay. Oh, didn't want 2 bosses. But a longer sword might be helpful. Let's change those up. Even slower. Okay. It's now very slow. And I spawned a second one. Did not want. Also not. Something feels off. Have to be newer. Maybe. I think sword are hard. Let's get a second ability up. Fire circle. To sword, I think just hit detection might be a problem. Used by bosses, fire circle. Can be used by bosses. And boss level. Ability. Fire circle. Where do I have that ability to level? Let's copy it. Change it up. Do damage is 1. Size is ear. Object duration is charge. It's ability circle duration. Oh no. Base recharge time will be 5 seconds. And 5 seconds. And I will not decrease the time. It grows quite large. Maybe I do 30 plus 10 better. 5 seconds. But I do not know if he autocasts. Let me use my boss as false for the moment. See autocast. No. Okay, boss. Where do I see autocasts? Tick map character. Nee, the rods do the autocast. Character cannot do autocast. Cast rod. Tick. Die. Active ability cast? No. A circle. Is it the rod? Also not. Cast rod. Where did I have it? Does the fire circle the autocast? Tick ability. Wait, here, this one. Fire circle. If ability is passive, then I autocast. Okay, I did not set it to passive. Does fire circle get set to passive? Passive is false. When the rod creates it. Ability. No, this shouldn't to set it. Cast rod needs to set it. Delete, no. Rod ability, get random passive ability. This one does it probably. Yes. Then my boss needs to do the same. If I have an ability, boss ability, and to set it to passive. Yes, I cast it. Seconds up. Okay, I run over it, it does damage. The distance I fire it is not so high. This does damage. But I cannot distinguish between my own and his fire circle. So this is a problem. Let's do the last ability. By bosses. True. Oh, I can pick it to false back. Shoot. True. I need the other one. Set ability to level. It's again similar. I will damage reduced. Frequency. Fine for me. Move speed. Let's accept the 2 speed. Let's see, well, 0.5. Ability, shoot, time to live, duration, time to live. What is the default? Let's make 5 seconds. Bullet size can also go. Times level maybe. This is big. 2 times level. That's level. Pierce count. Yeah. Multi-shot. Let's see. I disable fire circle. Save. Can use by bosses. False. Started. See. He always shoots in my direction. Because he has one. I think his frequency is too high. I also take ability shoot. Ability owner. I think I will do field possibility. Shoot random. It's optional. It's Boolean. So, and I will set ability. Ability shoot random equals true. Now I can say if I shoot ability move direction, if shoot random, if think a minute, ability shoot random, then I do not want to do this, but shoot random is Can be undefined. So I think it works. I have to set it to true. Undefined and false are the same. If it's not set, it's direction, else it's random. Now I should shoot random, I think. Let's get the next boss level up. Or the next 7 better. Oh. Okay. Let's move this away and shoot at me, shoot in my direction. Me, it hit me, it hit me, it passed me. Pass, hit. Okay, the fact that it does not pierce, it basically does nearly no damage. The moment I get the second one, he shoots 2, 3. Oh, this is bullet hell. But I feel this is the weakest. Probably increase the damage, but I won't let it pierce. Okay. Let's change it up. Damage times 5. But pierce will always be 0. Move speed of the bullets is okay. I would change the size from this to 5 times level, but change it up 5 plus 5 times level. Let's see. Give me a boss. Second boss. Maybe I reduce the frequency. Situation is too big. I change it. Let's make 3 seconds. Ability, shoot. Base frequency is. I don't even know what base is. It's 2 times per second, I think. So let's do every second. This should be a slow leveling. Gimme. Yeah, okay. Perfect. I think this is quite fair. If I get faster, there's a second one. Let's get hit by 1. Oop. Okay. Let's consider it fair for now. The fire circle has the problem that I can currently not see. Can I color a fire circle? Ability has a color. Do I set the color? I set it to red. Here 2. I could make a simple change. So let's activate it. Can be used by versus 2. Let's deactivate shoot for now. Shoot. E false. Go to the paint. Paint. Ability object. Where do I set the color? Ability object color. If ability object faction equals enemy, I set it to black. This can work. Check, reload. Me was. Good. Also want to modify the travel speed. But the color did not change, or is it? It's hard for me to see. This is black, I don't think. I think it's different, but it's harder to see. Mind for a moment. Okay, it's black. Back to 6.5. This should work. It does what I want. He fires not far away enough. So can I check it? Tick. Ability fire circle, no. It's a cast, I think. Cast ability fire circle. Have a cast position. Auto cast ability, it's area size. Ability owner. It's not perfect, but let's just do with ability owner faction. I will use area size. Plus equals 50 or so. And select doesn't it have a move speed? Situation, let's get it a move speed for moves. It's a number. I want to have this value. This has a move speed. So move speed by default is, I don't know the base movement speed. Let's take 2. It's 4 by default. Now, do I have the ability in here? No. Ability owner, speed, number. It's 4. Some error somewhere. Down here. Ability, fire, circle, move. No, not max changes, move speed. Thank you. And it can already work. Now I can for the boss scaling. Ability, fire circle, move speed. It's 1. Did I your okay? Let's there's a third one. Let's see. There's the fourth one. Okay. This is also not too hard now. Let's get my things back. They seem to work fine. Okay, I would say I scale now everything up. First, activate all boss abilities. Fire circle, shoot. And sword. Sword might have collision detection issues. And it might have performance issues altogether. So can try to kill them and okay. Some bosses will be hard. Let's. Did they all shoot? No, there's 2 swords and the fire circles start really late. Okay, now first boss spawn distance back to 800. Boss speed back to move speed, move speed, move speed. 0.5 plus 5. HP might be okay, we will see. Experience worse might be too low, but who knows? Let's compare with other XP. Where do is that enemy? No. Also respawn logic alert. Who does the spawning? Here? Okay, here I XP. Do I wait fixed position respawn enemies? Spawn, wait, chunk distance, type, random. Distance is position blocking. Create enemy with level. Experience worse. XP factor. Do I use this value? Ah, for this. Okay. So first, this is an important line for me. So I also do mass power. We will see. So now I want to change the spawning. Game model, game. I want a boss. Where do I spawn bosses? Spawn bosses. No, in the initialization I decide. Boss level counter. No, in the model. Bosses each level. Age 25, not 125. And this could be it. Game task. Big health pools, display, later boss get random abilities. Random abilities, yes. Stronger getting abilities, okay. Auto spawn, yes. Problems. I have also no problem. Boss abilities also check for enemy. It's unnecessary. Like this. This. Calculations. I have to play and see how well it works, but I do one to see if everything still works. One skill. I did not pay attention. Word count. Level 3, level 5. Speed, word count, speed, word count, speed, word count. I reach level 10. Initialize the death circle effect. Now I need level 25. It's a circle. Go slowly. I want 16. Okay. Let's play to level 50 and then I will take a break, I think. So currently no brain required. Level 25. There's the boss with a sword and he died. I am doing too much damage. A few level. HP looking good. Get more speed for now. T1. To take time measures. Next boss. Okay, this will be interesting. Ah, he still has not enough HP. I think this was fine. I want one more boss. If I can get there. My random just place can more like get a safe zone. They went over it. Next boss. Is this word? Okay, it's hard to see in all this stuff. And he again died fast. Get to 100. But it's getting more difficult with all this stuff up. I had sword now 3 times. HP. I absolutely know if they went over it, it's okay. Level 96. Getting hectic, but smooth for now. Give me the next boss. I know it. He's coming. There he is. Let's see how well he takes it. Okay, he survives a bit longer. Don't know his ability. Ah, there he lies. Fire. They are hard to see. I think I have to prove it later. Now let's get further out. Randomly placing. Okay. I like. Seems to work. Commit and ending it here. Bosses with abilities. Working. Staged. Push. Done. I will end here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.